How to delete pixel from Business Manager. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a pixel from your Business Manager account. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open up your browser and then type in business.facebook.com. In the search bar, hit enter to go to the Business Manager homepage. Now scroll down and click on Business Manager to open the settings. Next, find data sources in the menu and then select data sets. Here, you will see list of different pixels associated with your account. Since my account has been restricted, you won't see it here, but I'll guide you from here. Next, you need to select the pixel that you want to delete, then confirm the deletion, and that's it. The pixel has been successfully deleted. And there you go. You have successfully deleted the pixel from your Business Manager. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, and I'll see you in the next video.